So this is a quick update for the Wind Rider seat that I did an install video for so far. Don't have my review video done yet. However, I wanted to go over where I made a mistake. And Wind Rider actually got back to me right away, which was awesome that they reached out to me, because I was worried about how far back it went. It's, you know, because it was several inches from this backrest. And they said, well, looking at the video you did, looks like you need to do this, 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 and this. So essentially, it comes down to pulling it even further. Now, since I had installed this, did my install video, and it was on the bike for a couple days, as soon as I actually took the seat back off, undid the Velcro, and re-pulled it, it actually pulled back quite a bit further because it did stretch a little bit. Don't worry about this concaving in, or, you know, that's going to happen over time. So the other thing is crossing the straps. Rather than doing straight across, this actually helps pull it in quite a bit further as well, which also helps the back. But now you can see actually the material's coming around the back corner, which it wasn't before. So this is a lot better than it was prior to this. So as you see, it's actually sitting in here quite nicely now. Now I do have to realign the handles, not a big deal. So I'm gonna get that done, but there we go. That is the proper way to do the Wind Rider seat. And of course, this is a learning experience. I'm gonna have my full review, and I'm gonna go over through all of this stuff when I do that. But I did want to give a quick update.